Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can delete apps from your Motorola Razr 4D. Maybe you found out that you don't use an app as much as you thought you would. Maybe there's something wrong with it, you don't like it, or you don't have any more space on your phone left. And in order to delete apps, we first need to look for an app that we would like to delete, press and hold, move it around, and then we'll get that menu here with remove and uninstall. If we click on remove, then the app is removed from our home screen, but when we go to our menu, the app is still in our menu. So when we press and hold again and then click on uninstall, the phone asks us if we want to actually uninstall this app. Yes, okay, uninstall Lieferando. And now if we go ahead and have a look, the app is not on our home screen anymore and also not in our menu. And if you want to use this app again, then you need to go ahead and download it again in the Play Store. So that's how you can make some space and delete apps from your Motorola Razr 4D. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.